Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the recovery flow immediately. Make sure you have a current backup or at least critical files copied to an external drive. This prevents data loss. Once done, connect the device to power and a stable network to avoid mid-process failures. Next, identify the exact device model and OS version so you use compatible recovery files. Now put the device into the specified recovery entry method. Follow button combos or boot keys for your model and proceed to the next step. You now run the recovery utility or bootable installer and select the targeted repair option. Choose the official tool or a verified image that matches the OS and hardware to avoid compatibility errors. When prompted, verify partition choices and prefer repair first. Reinstall only if repair fails, because reinstall destroys user data. While the tool runs, watch progress and open logs if available. Logging reveals file checks, checksum results, and any failing components. If an error code appears, copy it exactly so you can research the specific failure. You finish by rebooting into normal mode and verifying that core services load successfully. Check network, login, and key apps. Once the system is stable, restore user data from the backup you made and reapply personalized settings, taking care to update drivers or firmware if prompted. If the device remains stuck, enter safe mode and rerun repair utilities or perform a targeted file system check. If that still fails, collect the exact error code and system logs and escalate to support. The key troubleshooting tip: retry safe mode repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.